Hello dear Gemini, welcome back to my channel and this is your second week's exclusive love reading plus career reading. If you haven't already checked out your monthly reading for June, please go and check it out on my channel. Click on the videos section and you will find your reading. If you're new to my channel, please subscribe so that you can get your readings in advance and you're already prepared as to what is to come and how to handle that situation. And if you would like to know more about the personal readings, the rituals, the love readings, the uh, spiritual counseling sessions that are therapy sessions that I do, please stay tuned till the end. I will give you more information. Your cards are already out, so let's begin with your love life. You've got the Eight of Spades and the Lover's card. To people who are especially in situationship, relationship or marriage, let me tell you, if you were looking for a sign, if you were suspicious, if your intuition was telling you there's something wrong, there's a third party in your life, then yes, there is. I do see a lover's card here. That means yes, there is an extramarital affair or your partner is talking to multiple people. They are still exploring options. Even if you're single, I do see that whoever you're talking to is also talking to multiple people. They are not exclusively talking to you. So there's, I do see multiple people here where your partner will have to make a choice, right? Who to choose, who not to choose. Actually the ball lies in their court. Because I do see that you are overthinking about it, you are very much focused on this person, but ultimately, until and unless they decide to end it, they decide to commit to you, make a union with you, it's not going to change. So you have to be very careful. Yes, you're overthinking. Yes, I know it could be affecting your health also, but take care of that. Now I leave this decision to you. Now you're going to ask me, ma'am, what should I do? Should I be in this relationship? Should I break up? Now each one of you is going through a different situation, right? Some of you are married with kids and that's a huge responsibility. You have to worry about your finances. Are you mentally or physically that strong that you can take care of the of yourself by yourself? So you have to ask these questions. But if you still have those doubts and if you're still stuck that, ma'am, I just please just tell me what to do and I'll just do it, then you can always book a personal reading with me, because in personal reading I can channel your energies and I can channel that person's energies to tell you that if this is going to work out for you or not, or should you walk away or should you stay, right? This is a general reading, so this decision is really on you. Let's see what's happening in your career. You've got the Postilion card, again overthinking. You've got the Apprentice and you've got the Fortune's Wheel. Overthinking is there, but at the same time I do see that you have been working so hard, Gemini. I don't know, I don't see the need for you to overthink when it comes to your career. You've given the longest number of hours, the most hardworking person, even working for other people, right? Even a team uh, player for that matter. You have compromised everything. You have given your all for maybe peanuts that you're getting in return. Then why the overthinking? Now your overthinking is, will this situation ever change? Will my life even get better? Will I get more pay, position, promotion or something of that sort? Good things are coming your way. If you have had a very tough life in your career, in your growth, then that difficult chapter of your life has ended. Now a new chapter will begin for you, new beginnings will happen for you, which will give you humongous success, good times, promotions, more money. Even if that means you have your own business, more money, more clients, more customers are definitely coming your way. If you are thinking of a change, to all those who want to go for higher studies, who want to switch careers, who want to change jobs, start something new, right? It is a time where there will be endings and beginnings. So if you're starting thinking of a change, be ready that something will be ending for you. You cannot do both things simultaneously if that is what you wanted to ask. Because with the fortunes wheel here, it's like a cycle, right? You have to keep going forward, but you have to end something in order to catch that new opportunity. Of course, you cannot work in the same company, right? Or two company at the same time, or probably for some of you you cannot run two businesses for the at the same time. So it's that kind of situation. I'm not saying that it's not possible. It is possible, the world is doing, but for you, you'll have to end something, right? If you're working and you want to go for higher studies, now while working that's not possible, right? So you'll have to end your job if you want to go for higher studies. So yes, that there is a possibility of you ending something. So be prepared for that. Big changes are coming your way. Whatever is happening right now is destined to happen. It's exactly happening the way it is supposed to happen. It's like a prophecy. So accept it. Accept the changes coming your way. Even if that means that things are abruptly ending for you, you are not the one ending, but maybe your probation period got ended, you did not get confirmed, right? So of course you will be looking out for a new job in that case. So that is again your destiny. Maybe something better is in store for you. Not maybe, there is something better in store for you, right? So do not get disheartened. Do not overthink about a situation ending, because new beginnings are 100% going to happen. So if I see overall, your career looks great this week. Your student life also looks great, but your love life looks a little tricky. So take care of that part. And if you guys resonated with my reading, if you think this is exactly what is happening in your life, then please do like, share and subscribe my channel, so that you can get your reading in advance and you're prepared as to what is to come, and you can handle your situation accordingly. And yes, if this was a general reading, if your question was not covered here, you can always book a personal reading. Ask me anything from your area of life and that will be answered. You can choose multiple questions as well. Apart from that, I have exclusive rituals for removing blockages from your life if you feel stuck in your love life, career or health. If you want to book a package, I have very easy and cheap packages available where you will get multiple questions answered and also get a free remedy worth rupees 251. That's the blockage removal ritual that you will get in this package for free once you do this. For singles, I have a different package because there are different set of questions that a lot of you ask. For love situation people, I have a different uh, package. Love means situationship, relationship, marriage. If you are in love, you can take the love package. Different set of questions, different remedy. And for career related questions, different set of questions and different remedy. Lastly, I do spiritual counseling sessions as well. So if you think you need therapy session, you need guidance, you just need to talk your heart out without any judgment, without any fear, you can always come to me. And if you think your friend or family needs it, please share this video with them also. Give this reference to them also. They can always book an audio or video call session with me, which is only available on Instagram, Google Meet or Zoom. Come and talk about your problems for uh, the chosen time. Half an hour, 1 hour sessions are available, and with the help of your guidance I will be giving you a remedy here as well, so that it can remove blockages from your life and you can start feeling positive again, right? To book any kind of booking, you can either email me at asasharma842 at gmail.com, which is mentioned in my bio and description box, or you can directly DM me on my Instagram handle, which is the Moksha Tarot. And guys, please follow me on Instagram because I post all such details on a daily basis, including the prices of all the services that I just talked about. Okay, so take care of yourselves. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I will see you soon. Bye bye.